The lotus flower is a symbol of purity and enlightenment in many cultures. Their delicate petals and serene beauty can brighten any day. And their association with purity and enlightenment make them a powerful symbol of hope and inspiration. For anyone who needs a little lift, a few minutes spent looking at a lotus flower can be incredibly uplifting. Cooking with friends is an amazing way to bond and create memories that will last a lifetime. It's a great way to bond with someone. And it's also a lot of fun. When you cook with friends, you can learn new recipes, swap stories, and just have a good time. Plus, you get to eat the food that you cook, which is always a bonus. If you're looking for a way to connect with your friends, cooking together is definitely the way to go. When you have a bird, you have a friend for life. They are always happy to see you, and they will never leave your side. Birds are some of the most inspirational creatures on Earth, and they can teach us a lot about how to live our lives. They are always happy, no matter what is going on in the world, and they never stop singing. Having a bird is one of the best things you can do for your soul, and it will bring you happiness and peace for years to come.